Hey guys, Edward here for Power Mechanical. Want to give you a quick tip for your boiler rooms. As we've talked about before, water quality is essential for your boilers, and today we're going to look at some hardness test, and that way you can kind of get a good indication of if you got some impurities in your boiler water. Alright, so we have two different tests here that I want to show you, and one of them is just a quick assessment. These are just test strips. They can kind of give you a good ballpark and let you know if you have some hardness that might need to be further addressed. Then second, we have a more comprehensive water hardness test that we're going to demo on and show you the actual procedure of testing for water hardness. Alright, so we want to test in grains per gallon. So based on our test procedures here provided in the test kit, we're going to use the 14.6 milliliter hash mark on our sample beaker here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just put my sample in here, and as I mentioned, I'm going to the 14.6 milliliter mark. Man, I don't know if I could do that twice if I tried. So after we got our sample poured to the 14.6 milliliter, we want to add 5 drops of reagent A to our sample. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to want to swirl that up. And after you've added those drops, you want to move to this reagent B, which is a powder, and just be careful opening it and go everywhere. Get a nice scoop in there, and again you want to drop that in there and get a swirl going. And as you can see, as it's mixing in, we are getting a red color, which is indicating that we have hardness in the sample. So at this point, we know we have hardness, and the hardness reagent here is going to tell us how many grains per gallon. This is a 1-for-1 ratio, and in other words, 1 drop is equivalent to 1 grain per gallon of hardness. So again, we're going to continue to swirl as we add these drops. Six drops right there. It's starting to, you can see we're getting a nice blue color. That's 7 drops. So at 7 drops, that's 7 grains per gallon is the hardness measurement for this sample. Alright, so there you have it. That's how you conduct the test with the water hardness test that we have here. And it's good to conduct this both upstream and downstream of your water softener to make sure that it's functioning correctly. And other than that, check out the rest of our videos for more boiler room tips, and we'll see you next week.